Hello, how are you? Sorry, long time no see. I can't fish when it's very cold, unfortunately. I've just got to look after myself. First of all, guys, welcome to Fishing with Clive. Secondly, I know it's late, but Happy New Year to you all anyway. Magandang gabi bayan to my family in the Philippines. Ohio gozaimasu to Japan. Hello Korea, and hello to you all. Right, it's 10 degrees today, slightly drizzly. Forgot my umbrella, but well wrapped up, waterproof. We're going to fish Centre Lake over here at Newdigate Farms. Nice and simple. Let me show you the lake. It's a nice overcast day though, it's not cold, and we're going to target silverfish and bream. This is part of the Newdigate complex. There's 3 farms within a very short space of each other. There's about 9-10 lakes. This one's got catfish in it to 94 pounds. It's got bream, it's got double figure carp, double figure pike, but we're going to target the bream today. Very simple, let me explain. We've got an Oakwood, this is a 10-foot rod, but I have got a 12-foot rod. I'm going to use the 10 because we're not fishing that far out today. Somebody in Japan was asking me what a quiver tip was. This is a quiver tip. Basically you get a bite and it just pulls round. That's the basics of it. It's a no float fishing directly on the bottom. So it's 10 foot, it's a glass tip. You can buy many different quiver tips of different strengths and different thicknesses, 1 ounce, 2 ounce. This is this is an ounce, but it's a little glass one. And all we are doing, literally, we're going to use the maggot feeder. And here's the maggot feeder, guys. So it's on a running, sort of fill it up with maggots, lob it out. It's on a running link that I can adjust. Got a hook link under there, and it's a size 16 barber's hook with an extra stop. I'm going to adjust it, make it a little bit further from the hook, and then when I cast out I'll tighten up the line so that this stop is up against it, like so. When a fish bites it will pull and it will stop it at the next stop. Nothing complex. The plan of action is this up this end of the lake's about 11-12 foot. It comes down to about 8-9 foot here. We don't need to go far out, but what we're going to do, we're going to cast out about 15-20 yards. We're going to start out there. We're going to leave this area nice and quiet for a little while. We can cast towards the island, but bream do tend to like the open water. So we're going to start here, fish that for 15 minutes or so, and then cast over here. So basically what we're doing, we're fishing for bites. But I have a feeling, because it is mild and it has been cold for a long time, hopefully we should get ourselves 1 or 2 bream. Anyway, that's all there is to it. I've got the big camera. I might set that up in a minute. It has stopped raining now. It is waterproof or weatherproof or whatever, but we'll see. So yeah, let's get started. It's just on 10:30. It's just a little short session, probably about 4 hours, 4.5 hours. But I have a feeling we'll get a few bream out. It's so nice to be here. See you in a minute. So as you can see, we've just got a nice little bend in the tip there. I'm going to cast this out after about a minute for about 5 or 10 minutes, just to get some bait on the bottom. So get some extra bait round there and hopefully pull some fish in. But it's really mild now. It's lovely. We're going to enjoy this no matter what, but I'm sure we will catch. I'm pretty positive. Although, you know what Clive's like. I've got my eye on a new tackle box as well. My son gave me some money towards it, which was very kind of him at Christmas, and it's quite an upgrade from the one I've got. So yeah, it's all good. We're in. We are in. That feels like a Bream. Definitely feels like a Bream. Lovely. Quite a good fish by the feel of it. I don't think it's a skimmer. It's a nice pull round bite. Lovely. Oh yeah. That's a nice fish. That is a nice fish. That's a lovely fish. Oh, that's a slab. Crikey. There we are, guys. First Bream. That's a cracker. That's a lovely fish. Bream number 3. Feels like another skimmer. Literally just cast that out. I think within about 30 seconds, boom, 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 round the tip went. Go, guys. And what I've done now on this cast, instead of casting more or less in front of me, it's gone very quiet. I've cast more to the right of me to give this swim in front of me a bit of a rest. And because the swim to the right, the water's not been disturbed, might be a chance of picking a fish up there. Whether they've moved off, I don't know. It's coming over very dark again. But we'll see. At least we haven't blanked. We're in, guys. We are in. Don't feel a bad fish. Could be another slab. Yeah. Oh, cracking fish. Lovely. Absolute beauty. Hook's come out. Oh, maybe not. There we are. Cracker. Lovely fish. That's it, guys. That'll do us. Well, that was a nice slab. I reckon that was probably about 3.5, I'll give it. So 3.5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3.5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. At 12, yeah, about 12, 13 pound of fish today. And it's 3:15. Could stay a bit longer, but I'm going to pack up now. Got some jobs and that to do at home. The trouble is, it still gets dark by about 4:15, so I want to get those done before it gets too dark. Anyway, what a great session. So we've had, yeah, it's been a really, really good day. The game plan worked. Everything went as it, I was hoping it would. You never know, do you? It did go quiet, about 2.5 hours. Whether they moved out, I don't know. I tried fishing a few different spots, but that last one was just a nice pull round. That was it, lovely. So thanks a lot for watching, and hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed it. There's going to be loads more to come. But what a great year to start the year. Absolutely banging, no complaints. And thank you again for watching. Take care of yourselves out there, guys, and I'm looking forward to seeing your adventures as well. Cheers. Tight lines to you all.